Actually, our lift does seem to be working today. What is this? Yeah, it takes a flipping long time to respond lift. Yeah, it does actually operate. Single door lift. Go to 8. Yeah, it's silly not single on the inside. OTIS. It's being modernized a bit, but still very nice. And this is a bit of a retake in 2021. The lift doesn't break down. Oh, 8. Let's go ground. Yeah, door close when you push buttons. That's what lifts used to do, now I don't. Maybe it's due to accessibility reasons. 7 persons or 545 kgs. We're at 6. I don't think anyone's getting it. Go at ground. Ground floor. Oh, both lifts are at ground. Yeah, that looks actually as larger because of interesting reasons. Yes, wonder what lifts will come. So that one or that one. Yeah, it's probably gonna go. Nope, it does this one. So a quick on this one as well. Only got 2 and ground and 1. So it's technically the same lift. Yeah, much larger cabs. Says 9 persons or 700 kgs. That's weird. Wow, one thing trips pretty fast. And upstairs, it's got this type of Dewhurst. Wait, why did it stay? Oh, looks just abandoned me. Seeing how it's got all the Dewhurst on this floor. This is very interesting. Why did it not call this? Let's call the lift it. And use this is very. Obviously, it used to be Otis black buttons. Obviously. Here, first floor.
Thank you.
I've done that. Yeah.
Oh,
One
wow.
more.
Video record of his lift ride.
Huh? Yeah. Not agree more. And first. Oh, thanks. And. Very interesting. That's it.